CommBank Tap and Pay is a convenient feature that allows you to make contactless payments using your compatible mobile device or CommBank debit or credit card. Here's how to use it. Ensure compatibility. Make sure your mobile device is compatible with Tap and Pay. It typically requires NFC capability and may vary depending on your device model. Activate Tap and Pay. If you're using a CommBank debit or credit card, ensure Tap and Pay is activated on your card. You can activate it through the CommBank app or netbank by following the instructions provided. Add card to mobile wallet. If you prefer to use Tap and Pay on your mobile device, add your CommBank card to your mobile wallet. This could be Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, depending on your device. Tap to pay. When making a purchase at a contactless enabled terminal, simply hold your mobile device or card close to the terminal. You will hear a beep or see a confirmation message on the terminal indicating that the payment was successful. Verify transaction. For security purposes, you may need to verify the transaction using your device's biometric authentication or by entering a PIN on the terminal. Receipt and confirmation. After the transaction is complete, you will receive a receipt if requested and a confirmation of the payment on your device or card statement.